Where's Genevieve? You're gonna walk into furniture. She put it over her head herself. Oh, silly lady.
So clever.
Oh, you're so funny. It's your favorite new game. So put it on my head, Dada. You need help? Yay! That's better. You can see where you're going. Jenna! What are you looking for? You gonna grab your milk? Is that your milk? Just there. That's not what you're looking for, huh? Looking for something else? Not sure, not sure. Oops. You're alright. Oops, there goes the blanket. Jenna, say hi. Hello. Smile.